Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to get started with CPA marketing. So CPA marketing is basically cost per action marketing, and many people are asking about CPA marketing on my YouTube channel. They comment down and I start to make videos just like this one. So if you're new to this field, I wanted to explain that how to get started and how to use free traffic or how to go with paid traffic and how to test things. So let's quickly start our video. So first we have to do is we have to choose the affiliate or CPA network. So this is the main thing that we want to focus on first. And after that, what we have to do is we have to pick the right offer. For that, we could do like CPA lead, or it could be like AdWork Media or Max Bounty or whatever you have, everything is still the same. And the networks are around about, if you can search online, you would get like 200 plus affiliate or CPA networks. So you can go with any affiliate or CPA network. So you have to sign up with affiliate network and just start promoting the right offer. So for the offer promotion, what we have is we have we can do weight loss, we can do surveys, we can do sweepstakes, we can do a lot of food related offers. So for example, we have Max Bounty, and we have to find a profitable offer that is going to be converted on social media platforms. So in this case, I'm using Max Bounty, and what I have to do is I have to simply pick the right offer. So for example, what we have is we have this offer right here, it's liftwear fat burner, or it could be anything like sweepstakes or email submits or anything like that, or pet food or something like that. What you can do is you can click on this offer, and there are many ways to promote this offer, and we can do like contextual display ads, search ads, social, native, mobile ads. We can promote this anywhere else. And email brand building incentive traffic is not allowed, as you can see right here. So what we have to do is first up we have to pick the right offer, and after that we have to look for the profitable and the high quality traffic, or it could be like Pinterest traffic, or something like Facebook ads or Google ads, whatever you are comfortable with. So in this case, I have the Pinterest free traffic method for you. For those who are just looking to get started for free with the CPA marketing, they can do like Pinterest, or they can do uh, many other social platforms. So in this case, I'm just going with Pinterest. Now, basically, we have to create high quality pins, or it could be like pins or photos, videos, or whatever you want to promote. So it could be anything like weight loss or email submit, as I have said earlier. I'm repeating again and again, this is not right. But all you have to do is you have to search for the trend. You have to look for what is converting in the market and what is trending in the market. You can do anything like that. So what we have to do is we have to go for Pinterest trends. Now with Pinterest trends, you can get ideas related to affiliate or CPA. For in this case, I'm looking for food related trends and food related offers. So I would go ahead and choose the food related trends. So and start creating some pins and videos relevant to my affiliate offer. So that way I can get free traffic to my offers. So what we have is we have this offer, and after that what we will do is we will create a simple landing page on WordPress on sites.google.com, and we can start to promote this offer on any social platform. If you have some budget for paid traffic, you can do Google ads, you can do Bing ads, you can do popular ads, you can do Taboola ads, or whatever you like. But first we have to pick the right offer and the right platform where you can promote the offer. So I hope you like this video. In this video I'm showing you that how to promote on Pinterest, and if you like this video, please sub to the channel and press the notification bell.